Hello, this is Jacob Jordan Answers, and today we're going to be reviewing nature sounds, which is, I don't know yet, which is why we need to experience the app. So let's press start, and we're instantly presented with many nature sounds. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is a lot of nature sounds. And so, why don't we start with the first one, and I assume the best one if it's on top, of course. Relaxing ocean. Can we listen to it? It's not playing. It's not a good start. Oh yes, I just need to turn the volume up a bit. Oh, this is very relaxing. I already feel just relaxed. Oh wow. And we can add another thing. We can add some piano. Maybe some birds chirping. Oh yes, I feel very relaxed. Can I take out the water? That's loud. That's interesting. That's nice. I enjoy this app so far. So let's back out and experience some other nature sounds. So what about calming field? What will we experience here? Oh, this is actually really calming. Part of the reason it's calming is because it's just steady, unlike the last one, which was like come and go. I like this a lot more than relaxing ocean, I'd have to say. Is that what it's called? Yes. But let's move on to summer forest and see if we can enjoy this one as much. Ads. You can check out AccuWeather if you want. And we can louder or softer. This one's a little bit too high pitched for me. What if we put on some thunderstorms? Oh wow. Those birds are scared to death now, so let's try something new. Waterfall. It's a waterfall. I don't really have much more to say than it's just a waterfall. Why don't we put the thunder back on? Turn you off. Wow, that is a very relaxing sound. And we've already gone through 4 of them. 3 I've really liked, and 1 I thought was pretty good, but it wasn't just as good as the others, and that one was Relaxing Ocean. So let's move on to Windy Mountains. Will this fulfill our expectations? Oh, I want to hear the fire crackling. This might be my favorite so far. This is excellent. I like the fire crackling in the background. I guess you could use those for the other ones. But it just sounds so windy and like kind of nice and relaxing. Don't you feel relaxed? Here, I'll stop talking for 10 seconds and we'll see if you feel relaxed. Well then, are you relaxed? You better be. So, let's move on to Evening Lake. Wow. No, I noticed that the pattern repeats here, so maybe rain on grass is going to be similar to waterfall. Or maybe it means nothing. But let's move on to Evening Lake. I like this one. Why don't we add in some flute? I like the evening lake a lot too. I think it's better with like some more stuff in the background, like that flute, maybe even the piano. That's pretty relaxing. Let's go back though. Rain on grass, okay. This is a good image. I think it really like kind of emphasizes that what it's trying to say is rain on grass. And I don't know what to say. It's just raining and it's raining on grass. Why don't we put in some rain sounds? Now it's very rainy. You would not want to stay outside. Your umbrella is getting soaked. It's so soaked that the water is going through it. This is not a good situation. Okay, I told you to stay inside. Well, let's move on to the next thing. I wish I could give these thumbs up. That's my only wish. Especially this one. This one is calming and peaceful. I think Windy Mountains is still my favorite so far, but this might be the runner-up. But we'll have to see with the other ones what they will bring. Rain on window. Oh, this is the perfect relaxing sound. You can just, if it doesn't rain much where you are, you can just play it very loudly every day and feel the experience, because this is truly an experience sound. You can connect memories to this. It's really nice, and you don't need to add anything else. You can just have the rain crackling on the window. But if you feel really adventurous, you can put in the thunderstorms. And then you really get the feeling for it. Oh, here it is. Itself. Oh, epic. I'm not sure if I'm really relaxed, but this is epic. It really makes me want to get up and do something. It energizes me. I feel the energy of the thunderstorm. Oh, and calm night, second to last one. This one makes me mad because this is what it sounds like when I can't sleep. So let's get this one. This is my least favorite so far. And this one. Oh, it's like a camping experience. You hear the wind. There's even some aurora borealis in the picture, and the crackling of the fire. It's beautiful. Oh, it's best to be safe around fires. I'm always afraid of getting burned, but I have to say it does sound good to hear it. Now, we've gone through all of the nature sounds. Is the settings gonna bring us anything more? No. So it's gonna have to end here. Goodbye.